Creating the perfect design is made easy with Avery's extensive collection of templates available on our design and print platform. Creating labels, cards, name badges and more is a breeze with Avery Design and Print templates. Avery Design and Print offers a wide variety of invented templates to help you create a cohesive look for your products. Whether you sell candles, coffee, lotions, or any other product, there's a label template for you. Avery's templates aren't just limited to product branding. We have templates for every occasion, from getting organised to adding a special finishing touch to your envelopes, creating warning labels, or designing fun labels for around the home. Plus, you can apply your own design to any Avery product without having to recreate it. So why wait? Visit averyproducts.com.au/templates and start exploring our vast collection today. With Avery, creating perfect labels, cards, and name badges has never been easier. Design and print yours today.